and welcome. It's Chloe here for another day of Reset 3.0. Today's is our leg conditioning set. So we're going to do a combination of some warm-up drills, some dynamic drills, followed by some leg conditioning. So let's get started with exercise number 1. We're just going to start warming up through the legs. So we're going to start with our skater drill. So starting on one leg, we're going to push across to the other side. So really using that lateral side movement. And we want to balance on that standing leg that we land on. So land in a nice bent leg, trying to keep your balance without putting the other leg down. So we're going across, bent leg, and then across. Let's go for another 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now, let's do some squats into 10 pulses and low. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now forward lunges, and let's go for 10. Good. Now come onto one knee, and what we're going to do is explode up, driving this back knee that's now on the ground up into our knee chain position. So we're going to jump up, explode off, push off this front knee, driving that knee that's on the floor up. 5 on each leg. Let's go. Very good. Okay, knees to chest. Knees behind. Good. So this next exercise we're going to do, we're going to start kneeling. So we're going to come down onto our knees. We're going to use our arms and our hips, drive up to land, feet under us, then jump forwards, and then turn. Do it again, okay? Should really take my socks off for this one. 5 times in total. Let's go. Awesome. Moving on to our front stretches. Take one leg behind. We're going to swing that back leg up and then take it back, keeping it nice and straight. Let's go for 10. Switch legs when you're ready. Good. Okay, this time, front kicks slowly. So we're gonna hold on to something, kick out and back, kick out and back. Let's go. 5 on each side. Good. Now for our inside to outside, big circles with the legs. 5 on each side. Go. Good. This time, slowly, inside to outside circles. Ready? Hands on the wall or a chair, and we're gonna come up, big circle round, and then down. Nice and controlled. 5 on each leg. Let's go. Change legs. Good. Side stretch. 10 on each leg. Let's go. Side kick in slow motion. 5 on each side. Let's go. Good. Okay, round kicks. So we're going to keep that knee up here and then extend the leg for 10 each side. If 10 is too much, stick to 5. You got it. Same thing with side kick. Knee up nice and high, and then 10 out. Other side. Very good. Twist the hips. Big circles. Both directions, guys. Good. Now let's do a standing figure 4. Place one leg on top, bend through the knees, and then go down. Come up. Change legs. Feel that stretching into the glutes here after all those kicking sessions. Good. Okay, I've got one more drill for you. We're gonna hold on to the wall or the chair one more time. When I say 1, you're gonna do 1 kick. When I say 2, 2 kicks, so on, okay? Think of different heights, different levels to your kicks. So for 3, for example, instead of just going here, let's try and do the different angles, different levels, different heights, okay? Get creative with it. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 'and that last one. 10 kicks, guys. Feel the burn. Let's go. Change legs. This time, we're gonna start at 10, working our way all the way back down to 1. You've got this. Ready? 10 kicks. Go. Nine. 8. 7. 6. 'Halfway there, guys. 5 kicks. Ready? It's getting easier. Let's go. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Let's go. Good. Very good. Awesome job today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this kicking session. I tried to make it so that even if you're not a martial artist, you're still going to benefit. You're still going to love it, somewhat hate it, but reap the rewards. Thank you for joining me. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I'm absolutely loving everyone taking part in this year. I cannot wait for tomorrow. Rest up, recover well, and I'll see you then. Goodbye.